Today I'm going to cover my roles and responsibility within the carving knife project. I'm going to be playing the typical mechanical engineer, thus I'm going to be using SOLIDWORKS Connected, but I will be using various other apps in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform as well. Let's take a look. My life begins in a community, and I can see that Matt Kokoski made a post tagging Sarah and I to go ahead and begin our work. Inside of SOLIDWORKS Connected, I have access to the same apps in the web browser as well. Here I'm going to use the bookmark editor where I can shortcut various projects that I'm working on. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop the top level assembly into SOLIDWORKS from the carving knife bookmark and begin my work. Once that work begins, I want to let other team members that I didn't tag in that initial post, let them know that I'm working on this particular project. I'm going to do that with a collaborative task app. And I'm going to drag this add USB battery to its correct location to the in work state. That way, other team members know that my task that I'm responsible for is currently in work. I want to take this battery and correctly locate it with respect to the product. This is made easy by way of mates within SOLIDWORKS. Now in this case, my modification and what I was responsible for in SOLIDWORKS Connected was quite simple. But I made very efficient use by using mates. I need to make sure that I have ownership of the file. Utilizing SOLIDWORKS Connected, I'll go ahead and reserve the document, and we'll see that the padlock changes to a green key. This indicates that I have write permissions to that particular file. Once complete, I'll go ahead and save with options. And this will let me put in comments and also release reservation after saving. I'm going to save this at revision B.1 and just let the rest of the team know that the battery is now correctly located with respect to the mechanical assembly. And once that is complete, we can see that the reservation is now released, and other team members can now modify that same top level assembly. I'm going to go back to the task and move it from in work to complete to let the rest of the team know that that task is now complete. Back in the web platform, I'll go ahead and open the top level product in 3D Play, and this will let me post my work back to the community where other team members can see exactly what was done. Right, now that my work is done, I'm going to pass it over to Sarah so that she can develop a really cool new shape using X shape around the mechanical guts in SOLIDWORKS Connected.